In this video, I'll just show you that how you can change the size and style of the font in your MATLAB, how the code is written, how the output comes. Basically, but the default size is generally small, and some people struggle with that. So let me just open one program for you that I have used in my last video. So see how the program is written. So you can see that doesn't look very good. So how to change this font style and how to change the size of the display. So for that you go to this command window first. In editor window you cannot do it. Go to the preferences. Okay. So after going to the preferences, you will find the font symbol will be there. Okay, in the all these things. So there will be a font here. So in the, if you click on the font and this side, everything related to font will come up. So here the size, first is size. So by default it is 12. You can reduce or increase it according to your use. Let's say you have a very huge code and you want to see a very large piece of code at a time. In that case, you can use a smaller size. But generally, if I increase the size little bit, then it will be easy to read and understand the code. So let me make it 8 and I'll apply. So after applying, what I'll do, I'll just see the editor. So is it looking good or not? So see, after making 12, how it became larger in size. So let me just make it side so that you can see what is happening there if I change. Okay, now if I make it let's say 14 and I click on apply, then the size is becoming like this. So if I write this as 18, I think it's better, means better visualize from a distance, you can see it. So let it be. And then you see here the text style is also there. You can change the text style. So if I click on this and apply, so see it is written like this, which is not looking very good to me. But if you like it, you can keep it as well. And then you can text, you can try different one. So whichever will look good to you, you can take it. And Niagara something it is, and it looks like this, so it's not visible at all. I won't choose this. Then I'll take, let's say, this one. This also doesn't look, you can see one preview is also shown here, but still I'll see in the editor, so that how does it look, it practically looks good, looks there. So this looks very simple and clear. So I may take it. Let's take another one. So if I apply it, so it's also little not bold but very thin lines are there. And let us see the last one. So this one, so this is how it looks, but it doesn't look very good. So what I'll do, if I think this one looks good to me, not also this one, better, I'll take this one. I'll click on apply, it's good. And then it is very light, means is it difficult to read, so I'll make it bold. So if I make it bold, now you see it is very clearly visible. You can change the font style as well. If you want further more 24 also, you can make it so it will be displaying in a very large size. But sometimes what happens, if it is very large, writing a code becomes difficult because you cannot see a large part of the code. So that's why actually it is better to keep it 14. I feel it is always optimized. You can read the code and number of lines can be there. So click on OK. So that's it, how you can change the font and style of your MATLAB codes, and it looks good also. If I run the program also, you can see in command window also the same type of font will come, which is better and easy to see. If I take some input, then the answer is also it is in the same font that I have changed there. And that's very convenient. You can use this feature to change the font size of your MATLAB course or any letter is there. Thank you.